Sons of Speed practice. Brook from Australia in the front, and Walksler playing catch-up. Down the straightaways, they're probably doing between 70 and 80 miles an hour into the turn. Zero transmission, zero gears, no brakes, no suspension. Matt just went for a pass. You can't really see it, but he went wide outside of Brook and is going down the straightaway hard in the back. Matt on the black bike, Brook on the white bike. This is just practice, the end of the first day of practice. Both are going hard and deep out of the turns along the wall on turn one. Both cutting in a little tight. Matt's stretching out his lead slightly. Matt Walksler and Brook. And the funny thing is Matt built Brook's motor and his bike, so he's out racing them. There you have it. Sons of Speed, October 2017 during Biketoberfest. This is Buzz Canter. I'll be out there racing with him, but this is just practice.